Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Next, coming to the precautionary part. Remember, no matter what sort of treatment you are taking, precautions are very, very important to prevent it on a first thing. Second thing, to reduce the size of it. The first and foremost precaution that you need to do is having a good, healthy meal, because dietary changes are very, very important for your hormonal well-being and also for the growth of the fibroid. As you can see here in the picture, we have divided the plate into four parts, right? So the first part will constitute your greens, your fiber, your micro elements, okay, and the vegetables. The second part will have two, 1/4, that is 2/4 parts, wherein we will have a little bit of serving of good fats. By good fats, I mean nuts and seeds like almonds, cashew, walnut. You can have macadamia nuts, you can have hazelnuts, you can have pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds. All of these constitute flax seeds, especially, and all of this will constitute under good fats. Apart from fat, you should have two servings of protein, which it will include fish. It can include vegan form of diet like dal, especially if you're staying in India or Asia, and then it can also include paneer, tofu, rajma, or it can include chole, beans as such. All of these will come under the protein part. Remember, if you are experiencing any sort of female reproductive issues, do not take red meat, which includes mutton, lamb, beef, and pork, and do not take soy products as they increase estrogen dominance in the body. And in the last part, you will be having the carbohydrate part. The carbohydrate can be rice, it can be your rotis, or it can be any sort of carbohydrate that you consume along with your original, fats and your protein. So make your plate into four portions every time you eat, and eat it in this manner as I've told you, so that you will have a reduction in the fibroid size and your hormones also will be good. Apart from that, what you need to do, you have to maintain a stress-free life, because stress triggers the hormonal imbalance, which in turn triggers the fibroid cause. So, in order to maintain a stress-free life, even if you're experiencing stress, try to have or do stretching, do yoga, do meditation and pranayamam, and eat good food. Apart from that, you need to have a proper sleep cycle. Especially women of reproductive age need to have at least 9 hours of good sleep for your hormones to work well. And then, if you're someone who is experiencing female reproductive organ diseases, and then people advise you, just random people advise you to go for a workout, and then you run on a treadmill, and then you do certain workouts where there will be severe pain suddenly. See, if you want to work out, have a doctor consultation. Based on the location of your fibroid, the workout should be designed. Do not do workout if some random person suggests you. That is not advisable. So these are some of the precautions that you need to follow if you are experiencing fibroids. What happens if you neglect fibroids? First thing, pregnancy will be a problem. Second thing, the number of fibroids can increase. Third thing, fibroids can associate or cause other diseases because of the hormonal disruption or because of estrogen dominance. They can lead into endometriosis, adenomyosis, they can lead into PCOS, or they can even lead into cysts. So if you're neglecting this, overall health, because some fibroids will have the tendency to produce their own estrogen, which can cause estrogen dominance in the body, leading to overall body depletion or health depletion. So do not take lightly if you're experiencing menstrual irregularities. If you're someone who is experiencing fibroids and watching a video, if you want to have a good cure for your symptoms as such, you should be choosing Fidelis Homeopathy. In Fidelis Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is online consultation if you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidelis, and in-person consultation if you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidelis. In online consultation, we have two options. One is the audio consultation, and the second one is the video consultation. You can approach us through either one of it. And also, after the consultation has been done, and if you're having any sort of investigations already done, you can share it with us. After the case taking and the doctor consultation, the medicines will be delivered to you, especially to the online clients. Home delivery will be done. If you're staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you want to contact us, you can contact us to the given number here, either through WhatsApp, either through call, or either through message. Okay. And if you want to know more about Fideicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fideicus.com. If you are experiencing any sort of fibroid issues, infertility, or female reproductive diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, chocolate cyst, or hemorrhagic cyst, PCOD, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, which is painful periods. If you're looking for cure, Fideicus Homeopathy is the answer. Why is it that you should choose Fideicus Homeopathy? Because Fideicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. First, the reason for doing this video is itself because of the high and good amount of success rates that we are having in this female reproductive organ diseases. Second is the transparent treatment, where there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third thing is the personal care. The personal care here at Fideicus is really top notch. The reason for this video is because of the personal care. That is because in persons or the online clients have asked us so much of questions that we wanted to do a video in order to convey it and also in order to educate other people. So the personal care, we will be discussing in detail all of your myths. We will be busting it and we will be educating you. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to have an answer for all of your diseases, Fideicus Homeopathy is the answer. So choose Fideicus Homeopathy if you want to choose cure. Thank you.